Hi बच्चे लोग, I am your Dipti Nani, and now onwards I am going to come with variety of stories for you. Nowadays you have mobile, iPad, TV and everything. But when we were small, we did not have all these things. But we had our grandparents telling us beautiful stories. And today I am also going to tell you a beautiful story. This is the story of pigeons. One day, a flock of pigeons was moving from one place to another. You know what is flock? When the birds of one type or same type fly together, travel together, move together, eat together, is called a flock of birds. One day, this flock of pigeons was moving from one place to another in search of their food. While searching for their food, they visited various galleries, balconies, terraces, but they could not find their food. Suddenly, while flying, they saw one ground, and on that ground there were variety of grains. You know what pigeons eat? Pigeons eat grains like jawar, bajri, grams, corn, and some such grains. When the pigeons saw these grains on the ground, they were extremely happy, and all of them just flew down and started eating their grains. And they were so happy and they were so engrossed in eating their grains that they did not see anything around them. And when they were busy eating their grains, there was one hunter near the tree. He was watching that these pigeons are busy having their food, and he wanted to take all the pigeons with him. So what he did? He brought one net. You know net? The fisherman uses to catch the fishes. And even that badminton net, when you play badminton racket, there is a net. But this net has very small gaps so that the birds cannot come out. The hunter put the net on the pigeons, and all the pigeons were trapped in the net. All of them were very uneasy. All of them were very upset, and all of them tried to come out of the net. They blew their wings. They moved their neck from one place to another, from one side to another, but they couldn't come out. But at that time, one old pigeon, as you have your grandfather, no? So there was one old pigeon. So he told all other pigeons, come on, all of you, don't get upset, don't get panic, calm down, cool down and be quiet. When you are quiet and cool down, you can always think. If you are upset, you cannot do anything. All of you, please quiet down and listen to what I say. And he said that, see, all of us are trapped in this net. Now we have to think how we can come out from this net. And I think that all of us try together to come out of the net. We can do that. Let all of us try to fly with all the efforts, with all the power, with all the strength we have, fly together. And I think it may be possible to fly with this net. And then we can see how we'll free ourselves. All of you are ready for this? All the pigeons said, yes, yes, we are ready. We will try. And the old pigeon said, I'll give you one signal. I'll make a particular noise, sound. As we say, no, 1, 2, 3, start. So same way, the pigeon made a particular sound. And all the pigeons together flew with all the efforts, with the power they have, with the strength they have. And would you believe? They could fly with the net itself. And then they came down with the net at one place where there were many rats. Now the old pigeon requested the old rat to please cut the net with their teeth and free all the pigeons. You know one thing? Rats have very sharp teeth. So all the rats cut the net and set the pigeons free. All the pigeons were so thankful to the rats and the old rat. They thanked all of them, and then they flew happily and sang happily thereafter. Did you like the story? What do you learn from this story? What we learn from the story is that whenever there is any problem, we should not get upset, we should not get panic, but we should cool down, calm down, and be quiet so we can think. And secondly, if we cannot do anything alone, if we do with many friends, then it may be possible. So we can say that united we stand. If you like the story, please give a like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon, so as soon as I come with a new story, you will immediately get the notification. Until I come with the next story, bye.